This is Madam Speaker Says, where powerhouse women unpack the moment they risked everything in order to build their authority. I'm talking about bold moves, I'm talking about plot twists, and the very instant when they stopped asking everybody else for permission and just decided to give themselves permission to step into their own authority. I am Magogodi. I am your host. Girl, I am also your hype woman. And if you are ready to grow from wow, your resume and your background is so amazing, to girl, when can we get started? Then head over to join the conversation and community at madamspeakersays.com and subscribe to our newsletter. Again, that is madam with an E at the end of madamspeakersays.com. Now, grab your drink, grab your water, class is in session.